Ready to turn your home into a space that feels smarter, sleeker, and seriously more comfortable? These luxury smart home gadgets and furniture pieces bring convenience, style, and next-level functionality to your everyday living. From intelligent upgrades to beautifully designed essentials, every item is built to make life at home feel effortless. All the products featured are linked in the description below. Turn any room into a spa with this portable steam sauna. It heats up fast, giving you full-body steam for detox, muscle recovery, and stress relief. The handheld controller lets you adjust heat and time for the perfect session. Setup is quick with a pop-up frame, and everything folds down for easy storage or travel. A complete kit with mat, chair, and accessories makes it ready for relaxation anywhere. Say goodbye to dust and pet hair with this powerful handheld vacuum. It delivers up to 50 minutes of fade-free suction and has 2 power modes for every task. Switch between the mini motorized tool, wide nozzle, and crevice tool to clean upholstery, floors, and tight spaces with ease. Advanced filtration traps tiny particles, leaving your air cleaner while you vacuum. Lightweight and durable, it's built to tackle messes anywhere in your home. Turn your MacBook Pro into a full desktop in seconds. This sleek vertical dock lets you slide in your laptop for instant connection to dual displays and all your accessories. 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports provide super fast data transfer, charging, and device support. Crafted to match your MacBook in space gray, it keeps your workspace tidy and stylish. Precision engineering keeps your laptop cool while you work, game, or create all day. Work in total comfort with this big and tall ergonomic office chair. It supports your spine with adjustable lumbar, headrest, and armrests designed to fit your body perfectly. Seat depth and height can be customized, giving your legs and waist the support they need. The breathable mesh keeps you cool, while the sturdy base holds up to 440 pounds. Swivel, tilt, or recline. This chair adapts to your workday, keeping you comfortable for hours. Level up your game room with this Pixel Light. It shows time, weather, game scores, or even pixel art in sharp, vibrant detail. You can choose from over 150 preset scenes, or create your own GIFs and animations for a totally unique display. Built-in music sync and an 8-bit speaker let it move to the beat. Control it with your voice or app, and watch your room come alive instantly. Turn every meeting or interview into instant clarity. This wearable AI recorder captures audio in over 100 languages and transforms it into transcripts, summaries, and even mind maps. You can wear it as a pin, clip, necklace, or wristband, keeping your hands free while staying professional. Multimodal input lets you highlight key moments, add notes, or images for richer context. Lightweight, powerful, and secure, it keeps your ideas organized and accessible all day long. Give your bedroom a fresh, modern look with this solid wood platform bed. Its clean lines and Japanese joinery provide sturdy support without the need for a box spring. The wood slats keep your mattress comfortable while creating extra storage space underneath. Assembly is quick and simple, with safe, rounded legs and easy instructions. Minimalist, durable, and elegant, it's a stylish foundation for better sleep. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this smart steam station. It works as both a steamer and an iron, heating up in under 30 seconds. The long hose and cord give you plenty of reach for drapes, bedding, or clothes. A large water tank provides up to 80 minutes of continuous steam, and 7 digital fabric settings make sure every material gets the care it needs. Auto off and self-cleaning keep it safe and hassle-free. Skip the cafe line and make cold brew in minutes. This portable system brews smooth, less acidic coffee without heat, giving you cafe-quality flavor at home. It makes just the right amount for 1 cup and comes with a leak-proof travel lid so you can take it anywhere. The reusable filter makes cleanup simple, and the whole setup is lightweight and easy to carry. Cold brew has never been this convenient. Bring calm to any corner of your home. This solid wood stand lifts your sand table for a better view of every flowing pattern. Its rich wood tones add a warm, natural touch to your decor. Compact yet sturdy, it works even in small spaces without taking over the room. Just place your sand table on top and enjoy a soothing, mesmerizing display from every angle. What if your TV doubled as a work of art? This ultra-slim LED transforms your wall into a gallery when it's off and delivers stunning picture when it's on. AI-enhanced visuals and mini LED lighting bring every scene to life with crisp colors and deep contrast. The wireless hub keeps cords out of sight, and customizable bezels match your style perfectly. Watch, play, or display art. This TV adapts to you effortlessly. Turn your living room into a cozy, stylish retreat. This modular L-shaped sofa offers plenty of space to lounge, with soft, breathable linen-like fabric and plush cushions that invite you to sink in. You can move the ottoman wherever you like to fit your space or mood. A solid wood frame and no-sag springs keep it sturdy for years of use. Easy to assemble and simple to clean. It's comfort and style made effortless. Imagine turning any wall into a full 4K cinema. This triple laser projector delivers bright, crisp images with 3,500 ANSI lumens and rich colors that pop. Shadows stay deep thanks to an ultra-high contrast system that brings out every detail. You can adjust the picture size without moving the projector using the motorized zoom, and the AI automatically finds the perfect angle for your space. Built-in speakers, a micro gimbal, and whisper quiet cooling make movie nights effortless and immersive. Ever walk into a hotel and wish your home smelled that good? This plug-in scent diffuser brings that same luxury atmosphere to your space. Instead of water or steam, it uses cold air technology to turn fragrance into ultra-fine particles that spread evenly through the room. Just plug it into the wall and control everything from your phone using the app. You can adjust scent intensity or schedule when it runs. Best of all, it works quietly in the background with no messy residue. Fill every corner of your home with rich, room-filling sound. This multi-room Wi-Fi speaker spreads music evenly with 360-degree audio, so every seat feels like the best spot. Stream your favorite songs directly from your phone or tablet, and link multiple speakers together for seamless sound throughout your home. Use the app to tweak settings, set alarms, or create custom sound profiles. Sleek and modern, it looks as good as it sounds while bringing every note to life. Your bathroom can be smarter than you think. This intelligent toilet adds comfort and convenience to something you use every day. The lid opens automatically as you approach, while the heated seat keeps things warm and cozy. A built-in bidet provides a gentle stream of warm water for a cleaner, spa-like experience. Afterward, a warm air dryer finishes the job, and the deodorizing system keeps the bathroom smelling fresh. Even a soft nightlight guides you in the dark without flipping on bright lights. Imagine a robot that vacuums and mops your floors while you do absolutely nothing. This smart cleaner rolls through your home with powerful suction, pulling up dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Built-in AI recognizes obstacles and steers around shoes, toys, and furniture without getting stuck. When it finishes mopping, the dock even washes the pads with hot water and dries them automatically. Just set a schedule in the app, and your floors stay spotless day after day. Clean air can completely change how your home feels. This powerful air purifier quietly pulls in polluted air and pushes out fresh, purified airflow across the entire room. A HEPA H13 filter captures tiny particles like dust, allergens, and smoke, while a special system continuously destroys formaldehyde in the background. Sensors monitor air quality and show you what's happening in real time. You can even control everything from your phone and let a gentle breeze mode recreate the feeling of natural airflow indoors. Keeping an eye on your home shouldn't be complicated. This wireless security camera watches over your space in sharp 2K HDR video, capturing clear details day or night. Smart motion detection sends alerts when something important happens, while auto zoom and tracking keep moving subjects in view. You can talk through the built-in two-way audio or trigger the spotlight and siren right from your phone. And with a rechargeable battery, you can place it almost anywhere without dealing with messy wires. Pool cleaning doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This robotic pool vacuum dives in and handles the dirty work for you. Smart navigation maps out the pool, scrubbing the floor, climbing the walls, and even cleaning along the water line. Powerful motors and rotating brushes lift leaves, dirt, and debris while the large filter traps it all. One charge gives hours of cleaning, and when the job's done, it automatically parks itself so you can pull it out with ease. Your front door just got a serious upgrade. This smart video lock doesn't just secure your home, it lets you see exactly who's outside. A built-in 2K panoramic camera captures a wide head-to-toe view, while night vision keeps things clear even after dark. You can unlock the door with your palm, fingerprint, PIN code, app, voice command, or a traditional key. AI motion detection alerts you to activity, and the built-in storage records everything locally, so there are no monthly fees. Long day on your feet or stuck at a desk? This full-body massage mat helps you unwind without leaving home. 10 vibration motors spread relaxing pulses across your neck, back, legs, and feet. You can choose different massage modes and adjust the strength to match exactly how your body feels. Gentle heat warms up tight muscles, while the detachable neck pillow targets sore shoulders. Just lay it on your bed, couch, or floor, press a button, and let the tension slowly melt away. Your morning routine just got a futuristic upgrade. This smart vanity mirror hides a full touchscreen display right behind the glass. When the screen is off, it looks like a normal mirror, but tap it and apps, weather, and music appear instantly. Built-in speakers let you play audio while you get ready, and the LED lighting shifts between different tones for the perfect look. An anti-fog system keeps the mirror clear even after a hot shower, so your reflection stays sharp every time. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.